Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create custom frame for our design on Canva application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Canva application, and first thing first, we can click on these three lines on the top left, and then we have to go to the all apps and search for the frame maker. Okay, like this. Okay, and this is the frame maker feature. We're going to use this feature to create custom frame. Click on this feature, and then here you can choose either you want to use an existing design or use a new design. And I'm just going to choose use a new design, and I will go with this Instagram post. Okay, and hold on. Alright, and after this menu has been opened, you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the frame maker feature, this one. All right, here we go. We can create custom frame using this frame maker feature. If you want to add dot, you just need to double tap like this, and I'm just going to create a random shape like this, and you can customize it as you like. And once you're done, you just need to click on add to design to add this frame to your design. Okay, and now as the frame has been added to my design, and I will be able to use this frame for this design. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a custom frame on Canva application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.